Sunbeam Spirit here. Sorry if it's a little hard to hear me. I'm outside and it's very, very windy. I actually wanted to film today's video a little bit different than some of my other videos. Recently we had a freeze in Texas. I'm sure by the time I post this it will have been quite a while, but we had a freeze and all of my plants died. Like literally all of them except for maybe like 3 or 4. So today we're here at Southern Nurseries and I'm going to be getting some more plants to try to replenish my greenhouse. I'm hoping there's one particular plant that was a shrub that I got at a flea market. I'll put that video in the description when I got that plant. It was at a flea market a long time ago, like maybe 3 or 4 years, and it was such a pretty plant. It was beautiful and it got huge. It was doing so well and it died. I had all the plants in a greenhouse with a heat light on them and they still just wasn't enough. The freeze was just too bad. So we don't get those a lot, but anyway, so I thought I would take you guys along to the plant shop with me, and I'm going to be filming in there, and I may do a little thrift shopping later on today. I don't know. Just thought I would take you guys along. Look at that. I did lose one of these in the freeze, so maybe I'll get one of these, depending on the price. This little guy. He's really cute. Look at this. It's so precious. Guys, so this right here, this plant, is the exact kind that I had that was so huge and amazing, and then the freeze destroyed it. So I'm gonna try to get one like this today. They have pink, and then they have of course the yellow, which is the one I would go for. That's the one I had, that variation of it. And then they also have like a white and pinkish one, so they're all pretty, but probably gonna try to get the yellow. Okay, so here they have them for $22.99, which is like way more than what I paid for mine. I got mine for like 10 bucks, so I don't know if I'm gonna get that here. I may make a special trip to the flea market for that one. But anyway, I'm gonna try to find some lemongrass, some phlox, a couple more succulents. I had some of my cactuses inside with me, so they survived. I'm gonna be looking for English ivy and maybe another fern, so we'll see. Look at all the plants. We've always wanted to stop here and we've never gotten a chance to. They've always been closed every time, but I think today is like their open house or something, so good timing. I think I want to live here. This place is so cool. It's huge, a lot bigger than what I thought it was going to be, and they have like rows and rows and rows of plants, and so far I've found several of the things that I'm looking for. I found one particular succulent that I haven't had before, but I think it is so cute and so pretty, so I'm probably gonna get that. I did find another type of succulent that has like little yellow flowers on it, and that one's really pretty as well. So maybe that one, I don't know. And then I'm still looking for the lemongrass, and I am also looking for citronella because I had a huge citronella plant and it was amazing. It got enormous and just like out of control wild. It was amazing. Like, it was so great. And it died. And so I'm going to try to find another citronella plant. So far they've had all the plants that I've come here looking for, so gotta find that lemongrass though. So this is where all the patio plants are. So I'm hoping maybe I can find the citronella out here. Oh, they have so many beautiful plants. Oh, yeah, look at my shoes, by the way. Also, my whole outfit is yellow, of course. Wait, there's more! I thought I had reached the end of the place, but there's a whole other section. In fact, they have like actual trees back there that you can purchase as well. Very, very cool. Oh, here's one of the giant cactuses that I had. Mine wasn't that big yet, but it died. I had another one that was almost that big before. You see those over there? I had one that was that big before, but it died in the freeze before that. Here's one I wish we could take home. Oh, it's huge. Okay, here's my hand for comparison. It's so big. There's some more big ones right there. Oh my gosh, they're gorgeous. Ooh, these guys. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Okay, I'm not sure which kind I'm gonna get, but I'm definitely going to get something from this tray because, oh, how could you not? So far. They did find some Citronella, so I got a little baby Citronella, some Maidenhair, and I'm not actually sure what these are called. I have to find out. Mom has a couple of different pepper plants and some peas and bell peppers. Yeah, so that'll be interesting. Now I am going to go back to where they have the succulents. I'm going to pick me up a couple of little tiny ones, and I'm going to check on the price of the little carnivorous plant collection that they have, because they had just this super cool collection. It had little Venus flytraps and pitcher plants, and it was just really awesome, so I'm going to try to maybe get one of those. Let's see. Well, you guys, that was a success, I'd say. Would you say? Yeah, we got all kinds of good plants. I can't wait to get them set up at home. Hopefully they will survive. I got a whole bunch of new things that I haven't tried before, so we'll see how that goes. Now we're just gonna go ahead and head home. I'll show you what I got once we get home, but we're gonna go grab a snack and then head back. Hey guys, so we are back home now. This is our part of the haul. I have my Citronella plants still. Sorry I'm having to crouch, guys. This is just the only spot I could set the camera is like over here, and it's not exactly a high spot. I'm ordering a tripod though that will actually extend up to like 6 foot, so hopefully I will not be having to do any more awkward postures. But anyway, so these are all the smaller plants that we got, and the people there were so nice and so helpful. As we were leaving, they were like, hey, do you want a box to put all your little plants in? We'll help you take them out to the car. What can we do for you? Like, here's some little baggies of dirt for your little succulent that you got. Like, it was just, they were super nice and super helpful. So I'm gonna go through each of the plants that I got, and I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, so I'm also going to show you the plants that Mom got. Hopefully my glasses are not gonna become a problem. There's a slight glare on them, so anyway, I'm going to start with the plants Mom got. They are mostly like veggie type plants, so this one right here, oh, look how the light's hitting it, beautiful. Okay, so this is a cucumber plant, well, several of them, but we have to get some more planters that are actually like deeper and wider, because you know, obviously them being in this is not going to work for a while. Probably not going to get, well, we didn't get the planters today. We will do that maybe tomorrow. I'm not sure, but anyway, point is we will get these babies into a better planter than what we have right here. But yeah, super cute. And hopefully hopefully it will actually work and we'll get some cucumbers. Okay guys, so this one is some sugar peas that Mom got, also called snow peas, but anyway, we've never tried peas before. Hopefully it will go well. We have a really bad problem with aphids anytime we try to do like vegetables and beans and stuff. Our broccoli actually did pretty well last time we did it, but yeah, I'm not sure how the peas and the cucumbers and stuff are going to work out, but hopefully. Mom got this thing called neem oil, and you spray it on the plant's leaves at night to kind of help prevent aphids from getting on it. It makes them kind of slick, so hopefully that'll work on the veggies, maybe. Here we have some, oh, this one's actually one of mine. Whoops. Well, that's okay. Here we have some pineapple sage, and I've never tried sage before, so I thought I would give it a try. It's a pretty beautiful little plant. Very cute. It smells very like fresh. I like it. Sorry guys. This one is going to be squash, I think, right? Yeah, yellow straight neck squash. So, and I think we did try squash like a long time ago. Funny thing is the seed is still on this. And you can see it looks kind of like a pumpkin seed because squash and pumpkins are like same family, you know. But yeah, that'll be interesting to figure out where to put that. Lastly, for Mom, we have yellow bell pepper and some more yellow bell pepper. So let's hope that goes well and that the aphids do not beat us to the bell peppers. Okay. Alright guys, I'm going to start on my plants now that I got. This one is chamomile. Oh my gosh, you guys. It smells so good. I wish. Here, sniff. Sniff it. There's not even any flowers on it right now, but it just like it smells amazing. I love that smell. Hopefully it'll do well. It's got a little bit of yellowing on the leaves. I tried to pick the best plant. It does have a bit of yellowing, so I'm hoping that's not gonna affect it too much. Hopefully we can get it settled in nicely. Next, I got two tiny little succulents. They are so adorable. Let's see if we can get it to, yeah, there we go. I got this one, and then I got this one. I picked two that looked really plentiful. I mean, there's a lot going on here in both pots. I'm not even going to pretend to know that I know the proper names for these. So we'll just leave it at super adorable tiny succulents. But like I said, the freeze kind of destroyed a lot of my plants, a lot of my succulents, so here's these guys. The good thing about succulents is you can propagate them too. You can take a leaf off of one of them, put it on some dirt, like just on the top, and spritz it with water every week or so, and then you'll have a new plant before too long. So I have actually seen these plants before, and I didn't know what they were, like just growing in places that we go. And yeah, it turns out bluebonnets. I know what bluebonnets look like, the flower, but I guess I never paid attention to the plant part enough to recognize these when I saw them without the flowers on them. So I'm excited to try some bluebonnets if you guys are not from Texas, which a lot of you probably not. The Texas state flower is the bluebonnet, so I thought it'd be really cool if I could grow my own. Okay, the next one that I got, I'm really excited because it's so adorable. So these are called fairy flowers. I'm sure there's a proper name for them, but anyway, this is called Katydid's baby tears, and it's just this teeny tiny little sort of carpeting plant. It makes like a little carpet of leaves. Look at this. Look at all those teeny tiny leaves. They're absolutely adorable. I am obsessed with this. I hope it does really well. Part to full shade. Okay, part sun to full shade is what it says. Keep moist. So this one is going to need to be in the more shaded area. I may even have to keep this one inside. Ooh, it's like a pretty thick little mat there when you touch it. But yeah, I really love this one. I don't know how the heck I'm ever going to repot it, if I do have to repot it, because it is solidly to every edge of this little tiny planter. So yeah, that's gonna be really tough. There's also some tiny little spiky things. I don't know what those are. Those are flowers or what? I think they're attached. I guess those are flowers. But yeah, it's so cute. Love it, and the little art with it is cute too. Here's another tiny succulent that I got. And oh my gosh, is this not the cutest little thing ever? It is so tiny and just like very plentiful like the other ones. Like, it's so cute. I don't know if I'm gonna put the little tiny succulents outside. I may put those in the windowsill. I'm not sure. I would like to put them outside, but I also don't know how well they're gonna do in the summer here because it's always so hot. But they're so cute. I just love them. The other one that I'm super excited about is this. It's Irish moss, and it's going to require some repotting fairly soon as it has drastically overreached its planter. I need a very wide planter for this. Honestly, I wish we lived in an area where I could just plant it somewhere in the yard and just kind of let it do its thing, but I don't think that would work here. I I highly doubt that it would do okay here because Texas. It's just so pretty. It's such a bright green. It's so beautiful. And here are these beauties. You may have seen those earlier in the video. I don't know what they are. Apparently the little thing that tells what they are is gone, which kind of sucks because I need to know how to take care of them. I think they were like flames, like something flames. I don't know. I'll be able to find it online and find out the care instructions, but I just thought these were so gorgeous. Like, they look like cartoon flowers. They're so pretty with those like vibrant colors. Like, just stunning. Just so beautiful. And we've got a couple more that are, trying to come up right here. And they're just, it's such a beautiful plant. It's got a couple of little weak spots like right here and stuff. I don't know what's going on there, but anyway, it's so beautiful. I really hope it survives. So I know I said I was looking for lemongrass and a couple of other things, but I ended up not getting most of those things. I did get some citronella, which I'll show you guys in a second, but I forgot that I had wanted this until I saw it. It's Maidenhair, and I absolutely love Maidenhair. I've always wanted some, but I've never been to a place that actually had it. Of course, this place had just about everything. They were sold out of lemongrass though. Hopefully they'll get some more. And now that we have been there, maybe we can go back. Ooh, look at the sun hitting it. It's so beautiful. But yeah, such a cute little plant. I love it so much. And I'm very excited to finally have some to call mine. So there's also this little section where you could just grab succulents out of this little tray, and they didn't come with like a little thing or anything, but a little planter. They didn't come with a planter. but they were just like $1.49 or something, and they were just all these different types of succulents. So I grabbed this one, and it is so cute. There goes a car. And it's so tiny, and I have tons of little tiny planters that I could put this in, so that is no problem at all. But I just thought it was adorable. It's so cute. This one also might be a windowsill plant until it gets a little bit bigger, and I can move it into the greenhouse then. And here is the Citronella. Oh sure, now we get the lighting that's not super harsh. Whatever. Anyway, here's the Citronella, and it is, whoa, that wind is like, yeah. But anyway, it's actually flowering right now. Little pink flowers, very cute. Stop. Citronella, okay. But anyway, this is the plant. This one was the most expensive plant that I got. It was like $13. But the one that I had before, it had gotten to about 3 feet tall and about 2 feet wide. So it was a pretty hefty plant. I'm hoping this one will do the same and just kind of go crazy. And I'd like to buy another Citronella plant as well, and just kind of have them all over the deck. Because that was really nice when I had them before. When I get Citronella and lemongrass all over the deck, that way we can repel the mosquitoes a little bit. But and they smell, I mean, it smells amazing always, so that's another bonus. But yeah, anyway, let's see. Anyway guys, that is my plant nursery haul. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along for a different type of adventure today. If you like my stuff, please like this video, subscribe, share it, leave a comment. What kind of plant is your favorite plant? Do you plant things in the spring? Do you go for vegetables, or do you go for flowers? Let me know. I want to know. Anyway, if you guys would like to follow me on Instagram, you can always do that at Sunbeam Spirit. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Bye!